So physical quantities. You have read all the different types of physical quantities in your lesson 1. Fundamental, derived, these are the, but account the nature. Again, physical quantities broadly divided into two categories. One is scalar. You will get so many physical quantities like mass, length, time, distance, displacement, velocity, force, acceleration, energy. These all are physical quantities. Okay, and they are broadly divided into two categories. One is scalar quantities, another is vector quantities. Clear? Here these words. Okay. Scalar quantities. First we'll discuss about the scalar quantities, then we'll go for the vector quantities. First scalar. The physical quantities which represents by magnitude only, magnitude and unit and magnitude only, they are called as a scalar physical quantities. The physical quantities which represent by magnitude and unit only. They do not, here you no need to represent the direction, which direction the force is acting, which direction the physical quantity is acting. That physical quantity does not have any direction only. That is called as a scalar physical quantity. Scalar physical order, scalar quantity. Example, mass. When you talk about mass, what is the mass of this, suppose, rice bag? We may say 25 kg. 25 kg. See, are you saying any direction of it? 25 kg towards east, 25 kg towards south, to 25 square downward, upward, anything you are mentioning there? No. That what is the mass? 25 kg. Suppose volume. Suppose 10 liter. Okay. Length, suppose you will take length or distance, anything you can say. Okay. Distance or length. Suppose I'll take 2 kilometer. So all these things we are not saying any direction here. Not the concept of direction is not there only. That's why it is called as a scalar physical quantities. Okay, understood? What is scalar quantities? Now, characteristics of scalar quantities. Characteristics. Characteristics or properties of scalar quantities. Okay, so what are the characteristics? First thing is that they represent by magnitude and direction. Magnitude and unit only. Sorry, I said directions. Magnitude and units only. So just see about in physical when you learn first chapter physical quantities, there you might have learned, not might have, you have learned that every physical quantity represent by at least by two things, that is magnitude and unit. Okay, Q is equal to physical quantity, then N and U. N is the magnitude, U is the unit. I hope this one you know. Clear? Here you see I mentioned 25 kg. 25 is the magnitude, kg is the unit. 10 liter, 10 is the magnitude and unit is the liter. 2 is the 2 kilometer, 2 is the magnitude and kilometer is the unit. Everywhere magnitude and unit is there. Clear? Understood? Second thing is that they represent like this, nothing else is represented. Now the second thing is that suppose sum and addition of, suppose when we are going to add Suppose the addition of same kind of physical quantity, same kind of physical, same kind of scalar quantities are like normal arithmetic. Listen, what I mean by this? Suppose I have a, suppose suppose you have a 25 kg of rice. I gave 10 kg of rice more. How much it is? 35 kg. Very good. 35 kg. So this is a what? Very simple. Like as you are doing your arithmetic operations in your methods like that. Here there is no effect of anything. That directly will add, like add or subtract. Suppose I traveled 2 kilometer. 5 kilometer minus 2 kilometer minus 2 kilometer. So my friend has traveled 3 kilometer more. Getting my point? Are you clear now? Yes? Shall I go for the next? Okay. Magnitude has, in physical quantities, Q is equal to NU. N is the magnitude, which symbolizes magnitude. Magnitude is this NU. In physical, NU you write. N is the magnitude. N is the number, actually numerical value. It is called magnitude. Numerical value means 25, 30, 2.5. These all are numericals. That's a numerical value N. That is the magnitude. And U stands for unit. Clear? No. There is nothing. I am just explaining. No, NU. That's why the dot is coming. Yes. Q is any physical quantity. Okay.